Hi guys! Alright, we're going to do Phonics Lesson 117. So you need to find this paper, right? 117, a pencil, and the first thing that we're going to do is we need our whiteboards and our dry erase markers. So get those things ready. Alright, first thing we're going to do is I'm going to say 3 words, and I want you to listen for the beginning sound in those words, and you're going to try to pick out the sound that each of the words have. Okay, so the first word is there, and then I want you to repeat it at home. So I say there, you're going to say there. Good. How about the word those? And you'd say those. Okay, and the last one is that. That. Good. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word and each of those words? Okay, here are those 3 words that we just said. There, those, that. Now look at the beginning of the words. What is the same at each beginning of each word? Write the letters that are the same on your whiteboard. Right? T, H is the same, and these 2 letters together make the th sound. Can you make that sound at home? Make the th sound. Good. And what do we call 2 letters that come together to make a new sound? We call those a digraph. That's right. And how do we code digraphs? We have to draw a line underneath. So underneath the TH that you wrote on your whiteboard, draw a line underneath. And I'm going to code these words. Okay, now here's our new wall card for TH. So it says TH, and there's a line underneath because it's a digraph, but there's also a line through it. This is another way that we're going to code TH, and this line that goes through it is called a voiced line. And I'm going to tell you why the TH is called a voice line. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to tell you about the voice line. So when sounds in words, when they make our throats vibrate, that's called a voiced sound. So I want you to say the word feather, but I want you to put your hands on your vocal cords like this. Say feather. Feather. Do you hear that vibration of the sound coming out of your throat and then out of your mouth? Feather. Okay, now try the word that. That. Do you hear that vibration when you say that? That's because TH makes a voiced sound, so that's why we're going to code it with the line through. Alright, on your whiteboards, I want you to write the word than, T-H-A-N, and I want you to write the word that, T-H-A-T. We're going to look at than first. So write down the word than. Give you a couple seconds to do that. You can pause the video too if you need more time. How are we going to code this word? Let's start with the TH. We know that TH is a digraph, so that means we have to put a line underneath it. And we also just learned that TH is a voiced sound. Makes our vocal cords vibrate when we say it. So we're going to draw a line through the middle, just like this. That will help us remember that that's a voiced sound. Is there anything else in this word that we can code? Do you see a vowel in the word? Yep, A is a vowel. Does a consonant follow the A? Yes, it does. So that tells us that this vowel is going to be short, and we're going to code it with a breve. So now we can sound out this word. Ready? Th-a-n. Th-a-n. Than. Do you hear your vocal cords vibrate when you say the word than? Yep. All right, and let's go to this word. I see a TH digraph, so I'm going to underline it. TH makes my vocal cords vibrate, so that means it's a voiced sound, so I have to put a voiced line through it. I see a vowel, and the vowel is followed by a consonant, making the vowel short, so I'm going to draw a breve on top. Now I know that this makes the th sound, this is going to make the short ah sound, and I know that T is just going to make its normal t sound, so now I can try to read it. The, at, the, at, that. Perfect. Okay, so I already introduced this to you. This is our new wall card. So when you see this card, you will think of a feather, and then that will help you remember that the TH is a digraph and a voiced sound. And then we also have a new TH card in our letter deck. So we'd say feather the when we see these cards. Okay, now you can get your worksheet out and grab your pencil. Remember, we're on 117, and you can put your name at the top. Name and number first thing. Okay, now I want you to point to the number 1. And on that line, I want you to write the digraph that we just learned. The digraph that makes the V sound. Yep, TH, so write TH on the line. Okay, then I want you to look at the box. In the box, you're going to see digraphs and you're going to see blends, consonant blends. When we see a consonant blend, like QU, do you remember how we code those? Yep, we draw a little line underneath, like a smiley face, that connects the Q and the U together. That tells us that that is a blend. When we see a digraph, we underline it like SH. Now I want you to go through and I want you to put the curved line underneath the blends and the straight line underneath the digraphs. Go ahead and do that. And you can pause the video right here so that you can get all those done, and then you can flip your paper to the back. Okay, make sure your paper looks like mine. Again, you can click pause so that you can finish writing your codes, and then you can flip your paper to the back side. Okay, now on the back side there are 4 boxes. Box 2, 3, 4, and 5. In box 2, I want you to circle the word that. That. Okay, and I'm not going to mark them because you have to do this on your own. Okay, then box 3. Circle the word this. This. Make sure that you are listening to the sounds that I say and picking out which word has the correct sounds. Okay, now we're on number 4. Circle the word the. The. And this is a sight word, so it should be pretty easy for us. And number 5, circle the word than. Than. Okay, good. Now if you need to go back and listen again, you can just click the rewind button. You might have to ask Mom or Dad for help, but you can go back and listen to 2, 3, 4, and 5 again. When you're done, I want you to try to read the sight words at the bottom to yourself, Mom or Dad, brother or sister, and then make sure your name is at the top, like mine. Oh, and I forgot to dot my I. And then you can put this in your folder to come back to school. Good job, guys.